this has a vertical asymptote at -3, horizontal at 1. Okay, so now if you plug in 1 in here, 1's all the way here, okay, you do get a nice number of just 1. Y is also 1. Okay, that's a nice point. Now from the center, this is the center. When you move over 4 units, you get to move up 1 unit. That means when you move over to -2, left ones, by symmetry, we gotta go up 4. Okay, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we're -7, we are at -1. And -4, we're gonna go down. Okay, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so your 4 points. You can do the sketch now. All right, domain is everything. It just can't be where the vertical asymptote is. Range 2, right? It can be everything. It just can't be where the horizontal asymptote is.